Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm at Mount Vernon Nazarene University in Mount Vernon, Ohio, and I'm just doing a quick video about their eternal flame. So I just got recommended to go here by Google Maps, so I kind of came here. So I looked it up online, and apparently the reason for this eternal flame is to remind them to do their Christian duty every day and stuff like that. But what's funny is it was constructed in 1970, rebuilt in 1999, and as I found on their Facebook page, they actually put a whole new flame in 2013. So this flame really hasn't been eternal at all. Okay guys, since just showing off the flame made the video pretty short, I'm also going to show off the bicentennial bell tower. Erected in 1976. It's a recognition of the nation's 200th anniversary and also their first 4-year graduating class. So if we look up here, we can see it's just a brick structure. You can sit around it, and at the top there is a bell, and I believe that's maybe supposed to look like a cross or something at the top, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I just want to show off that along with the eternal flame. I'm actually going to add a bit to this video where it's just the flame, just to show it off a bit more. So yeah, as we get farther away from it, I can tell it's a cross now. So anyway, both these things are at Mount Vernon Nazarene University in Mount Vernon, Ohio. And I just want to show them off real quick while I was in the area. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like this video.